Santhosh Kumar Sriramoji, and I've been part of Acuvate for over 6 years now. Looking back, this journey was much more than a career path. It's been a space where I have grown, learned, and evolved along with the company. Every year has brought new experiences that have shaped not just my professional skills, but also my way of thinking. When I joined Acuvate as a software engineer, I was eager to explore, learn, and bring an impact through technology. Over the years, the opportunities, challenges, and the mentorship I received helped me grow into my current role as a system analyst. This progression wasn't about moving a level up, it's about how I approach problems, understand business impact, and design intelligent solutions that go beyond just writing code. From conversational AI agents and copilot-based solutions to building automation workflows, each project has contributed to building the professional I am today. One of the things I truly appreciate about Acuvate is how it embraces innovation. I have had the chance to work on some truly challenging projects across different industries, each offering something new to learn and explore. It's motivating to be part of a team that's not afraid to experiment, push boundaries, and consistently build on what's next in AI and technology space. Beyond technology, what really stands out for me is the culture here. The support, mentorship, and the collaboration within teams make every challenge easier and every success more meaningful. There's always someone to guide you, brainstorm with you, and celebrate with you. That kind of environment keeps you grounded and inspired at the same time. As Acuvate continues to explore new frontiers in AI and digital transformation space, I am genuinely excited about what lies ahead. I am grateful for the trust, the opportunities, and the people who have made this journey so enriching. For me, Acuvate has been more than just a workplace. It's been a space where passion meets purpose and where every milestone feels like a shared success. And I'm really looking forward to being part of more chapters in this story. Thank you.